Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you so much for watching. Let's Resin sent me some more of their Ocean White. I love it, I always use it. But all we're gonna do is put some in here. Ooh. I love their little squeeze bottle. Their new little lid. That's great. I'm gonna be trying something soon with that. Let's get this mixed up. I just needed some white. Ah, so beautiful. So bright white. But I'm making something kind of neat, and I've never done it before. So this is gonna be a first for me trying this. But I'm gonna get this white in here, let this cure, and then the fun part is gonna be on the other side, so. Thinking of maybe putting a little purple opal down in the bottom in this cup and with the white. I'm hoping just a tiny amount, so, because I don't want it floating up. If I can do a tiny amount, that is. Oh, that's so beautiful. This is the Let's Resin glitter that I've had. It's getting low, but I love it. Used it a lot. Should I put a little more? Yeah, that's good. Now, if I can just get it in the edge, that'd be great. Sorry, my heater just kicked on, but I'm almost done anyway. Okay, got some down in there around the edge. All right, let's put this in here. Okay, that's full. Sweet. Awesome. I might as well do another little tray since I've got resin. Which this one, I don't care if the glitter goes everywhere, it's fine. Absolutely fine. Whoops, I didn't mean on the outside. Fill that with white. Oh, I'm shocked. Awesome. I was just gonna fill up some ornaments or something. At least I got another tray made, so awesome. Okay guys, I'll let these cure and I'll see you in a little while. Bye. Okay guys, I'm going to try to decoupage, is that how you say it? Decoupage this. I've never done it before. I've only seen, you know, a few videos, and I literally didn't sit there and watch them all. I was just trying to get the general idea. I think I'm gonna put some, I think I've seen them put Mod Podge down. And then, I don't know, if, or maybe I need to get this wet and trim this out first. I think I'm gonna try that first. Okay, I've got some water. I think I just go along here and then I'll be able to rip it. I hope I don't screw this up because this is literally the only little paper I got. It didn't come in a 2-pack or, it just came by itself. I do know I'm going all the way down, so. I do know you don't want to cut it, you don't want straight lines. Okay, let's see. Move that so we don't spill it. Should I start just ripping it? Tearing it? Oh, that's so neat. But I need to get busy making gifts. I don't know what the heck I've been doing, but it's so close to Christmas. And I'm also, if you're watching this video, I usually do a premiere, but I'm not gonna do a premiere. I'm gonna take a little time off from YouTube, probably a week, so I can make sure I get everything done for Christmas. I know I try to worry about my videos a lot, and that takes up a lot of my time. And I want to take a small break. But I'll be back in about a week. But I'll have some videos to watch if you happen to want to watch them on my regular days I post. It dries quick too. Those edges are neat, aren't they? I like that. Okay, let's see if that fits in there now. Well, no. I need to trim some more. I need to trim a little off the top, the right side. I mean, I guess it can go up the side a little bit, yeah. Even if it wrinkles. Okay, let me take some more off the right side real quick. I'm sure if you do this decoupage, I bet you're watching and thinking, no, you're doing it wrong. But I'm just enjoying myself. I'm making stuff for my family. I'm living life. Trying to enjoy every minute of life. That's all we can do. Be kind. Enjoy life. Those are my goals. Cool. I did choose this paper because it's beautiful, and I have some little dragonflies that I was gonna make some of my family. So that's why I chose this. It popped up on Amazon, and I was like, well, heck yeah, we'll pick that one. Well, we don't want the bottom straight edge, so I've got to rip some of that as well. I was looking at it thinking it all looked neat except for that part. I didn't even know this was a thing. Okay, now let's try some of this Mod Podge. Now, I really don't know if I need to put the Mod Podge on there and then let it dry. Let's set this on here. I don't know if I think I'm gonna spray it and get it wet so it'll stick. Oh, goodness. Oh. There we go. Okay, I'm trying to smooth that on there as good as I can anyway. Okay, that's on there. Now let's brush on some of this Mod Podge. I have my water bottle with water in it. An old paintbrush. I don't know if I'm supposed to do thick or thin or just get some in there. Let's get this in there. course, I'm not where I wanted to be, but it's all right. I don't know if I need to smooth it with anything. I don't think I got in there totally even. I'm a little up the side right there, which is okay. I don't know if I let that dry on there. Oh, I better try to, do I get that off of there now? Maybe so. Okay. Awesome. I think that is so cool. I'm gonna let that dry and then, just because. And then I'll go from there. But isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh. I love that. I hate to mess with it. I don't wanna, because I don't have no wrinkles in it. No, I'm sure there's other stuff than Mod Podge that don't leave lines, and hopefully this doesn't have too many. Hopefully that's nice. I love it. I think my family members are gonna love it. I'm a little sideways down there, but that's okay. Well, I guess I could do these real quick. I have this. I don't even know why I got it or when I got it. I think it's a fingernail. It was cheap. It's plastic and just weird paper. But I don't know if I can Mod Podge that in there. But I think that would look kind of cool. Because it looks like lace. You know, pretty neat. Maybe I should cut it. Oh, yeah, that way. Maybe I should go ahead and glue it and then razor knife the top. Because the edges are curved, you know? I know it was kind of creased and messed up because I never used it. I was like, what the heck am I gonna do with this? Plus, if you've seen my nails, you know, I mean, they're short. I think I was gonna put it in a jewelry charm or something, but I don't remember. So all I know is I came across these and I thought that'd be so neat. Isn't that cool? I might pour some resin over the top of it. But let me let that dry and see what I think. I'll let this dry and we'll come back and maybe put on another layer. So, awesome, guys. And then I'll stick something in here as well. I don't know yet what. But I'm gonna clean up my paintbrush and stuff and I'll see you in a little while. Bye. Okay, guys, this has dried. Look at that. I mean, that is amazing. I hate to even put more Mod Podge on it. And I hate to put resin on it. I love that matte look of it. It's gorgeous. But I don't want to mess it up. I think I am going to put a little more Mod Podge on. Oh, hope I'm doing the right thing. So I'm going to try to do the thinnest layer as I can. Maybe work it around with my finger a little bit in the end. But I want to make sure all my edges are covered and laying down. I might use my finger and put it on the side right here. is so beautiful. You know, maybe I shouldn't have put more on it. I don't know, honestly. Because it actually looks really good. And if I wasn't supposed to, oh, darn it. You know what I mean? But I'll know for next time. And would I have to get another one and do it really quick? Yeah, I would. Cool. I think that looks so awesome. I hope it dries like it did a minute ago, you know, and just look really good. But if I mess it up, I might have to keep this one. Which wouldn't hurt my feelings, so. Okay. I'll let that dry. I don't think it'll take long. Okay, guys, I'll let that dry, and I'll be back. See ya. Okay, guys, they're dry. There is a few streaks from the Mod Podge. You know, this whole time I was saying Mod Podge. Oh my gosh. Anyway. And then I just added some cute butterflies to that. I don't think I'm gonna add a top coat. I might to this in a little while. I kind of wondered if I should have. Hopefully I put the resin on it and you don't see the lines. I'll see. But I think it turned out really, really good. And it's so pretty. Okay, I went ahead and put a top coat in this. And I've got to tell you something funny. Sorry, I just put my glove on. That little plastic strip that I put in here. Well, when I was done filming yesterday, I was like, I don't know if I like that or not. And I went to peel it out. And then it left this. So that must be like a tattoo for nails or something. You know what I mean? But that's, I do like that. So I just left that on there. Even all messed up and stuff. I just like the kind of distressed looking. So sweet. I don't use that I don't use the nail stuff. I didn't know what those were. And if you did, you're probably laughing so hard when I stuck that whole plastic thing in there. Anyway, okay. I went ahead and did top coat. Looks super good. I love it. My son came over this morning and saw it and thought, Mom, that's so awesome. I said, I know, Decoupage, son. I said, we didn't even need to put a top coat on it, but we can do anything. Boxes or whatever, so definitely I'll be doing more, so I think it's awesome. Okay, guys, hope you have an extraordinary day. See you later. Bye.